Conditional formatting automatically applies colors, icons, or data bars to cells based on their values. It turns a wall of numbers into something a manager can scan in 2 seconds. Built-in rule types. On the Home tab, Conditional formatting. Highlight cells rules greater than, less than, between, equal to, text contains, date occurring, duplicates, top. Bottom rules top 10 items, top 10%, above average. Data bars, horizontal bars inside cells, length proportional to value. Color scales heat maps from one color to another based on value. Icon sets traffic lights, arrows, stars. Highlighting trends. Sales above target green fill. Stock below minimum red fill with white text. Overdue invoices date is less than today bold red. Data bars. Quick way to show magnitude inside a column without inserting a chart. Choose gradient fill for a softer look or solid fill for clarity. Color scales. Best for performance grids a 3. Color scale red, yellow, green. Turns a table of monthly KPIs into an instant heat map. Formula-based rules. The most powerful option apply formatting based on a custom condition that can reference other cells. Select the rows you want to format. For example, A2, F100. Conditional formatting new rule. Use a formula. Enter a formula that returns true for the rows to format. The trick, lock the column only, equals $E. 2 is greater than 1,000. Highlight every row where column E is over 1,000 equals $D. 2 is less than today. Highlight rows where the date in D is in the past. Click Format, choose Fill and Font OK. Managing rules. Conditional formatting manage rules shows every active rule on the sheet you can edit priorities. Top rule wins, restrict ranges, or delete rules that have piled up over time. Try this. On a regional sales table, apply a 3-color scale to the sales column. Apply data bars to the units sold column. Add a formula rule equals $D2 is less than 500 to highlight every full row where sales are below 500 inches red. Sort the table by sales and confirm the formatting follows the values.